Welcome to my channel. My name's Amelie. Today we're going to be doing a room tour because, just look at my room. Isn't it beautiful? Like, subscribe, hit that bell. You know the deal. If you like my room, comment. Let's just jump right into this video because none of you want to hear me ramble. So starting with the left wall of my room, I have two shelves that were mounted on my wall from IKEA, and I just have some decorations. Then there's my dresser with just things on it. Let's move into my little art corner. So in my art corner, I have two little pillows from Target and a coral rug also from Target, and they always put lint on my black leggings, which is definitely not a good thing, but I couldn't help it because they're so cute. And then I have three boxes full of storage and art supplies. They're very cluttered. And then I just have some art prints that I like. And then I have my lamp with a tutu on it, and here are my windows, of course. But let's move on to my desk area where I do my homework. So on the wall I just have some string lights, which I love, and then here is my computer where I play music and do editing, and then there's my Chromebook for school, and I just have my planner propped up on the right. On my wall I just have two more prints that I feel like are coral and teal that match my room. Then I have a teal chair and some chargers and stuff, so yeah. And then those are my string lights. Let's move on to my bed area. Down here I just have some books that I'm reading, and then here is my nightstand with my makeup collection that I continue to grow. And here's my guitar that I never play. Whoop. Here's my lamp, which is also tealed, that fits in with my whole theme that I have going on. I really love that just little chic little pillow that's up there. My bedspread isn't that cute, but it is what it is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys in my next video.